Amazonite is a barrier filter crystal that blocks geopathic stress, absorbs microwaves and cell phone emanations, and it protects against electromagnetic pollution. Place this near computers or other electronics, or near your phone. In the workplace, Amazonite dispels negative energy and aggravation. It protects against unfair business practices and others taking advantage of you. A stone of prosperity. Amazonite attracts new customers and orders to a business and assists on being in the right place at the right time for new opportunities. Amazonite is known for maintaining good health in general. It aids in cell regeneration and healing after illnesses, trauma, or injury, and relieves muscle spasms. It may be used in treating disorders of the nervous system and blockages in the flow of your neural impulses, as well as a result to resolve the issue with your throat and your thyroid glands. Amazonite is a wonderful healer for the emotional body. It soothes trauma and calms the mind. It alleviates worry and fear and directs anger and irritability into more positive action. It regulates the aggressive aspects of one's personality and urges the mind to seek emotional balance. Amazonite increases self-esteem, especially in women, and reduces tendency to self-neglect. It enhances the ability to communicate more effectively by identifying how one's words have created the current reality and how to change one's vocabulary to reflect the higher, more aligned reality. It also empowers one to set boundaries, appropriate boundaries, inwardly in self-discipline, and with others in establishing healthy relationships. The heart chakra is located near the center of your breastbone. It regulates our interaction with the external world and controls what we embrace and what we resist. It gives us the balancing ability to be ourselves within the environment. When the heart chakra is out of balance, we may feel either controlling or controlled in a relationship, and it becomes critical. We may find ourselves having inappropriately strong emotional responses to everyday drama. Amazonite crystal energy is used to resolve blockages and to rebalance the heart chakra, helping us understand our own needs and emotions clearly. We can deal with the ebbs and the flows of emotional relationships and understand their cyclical nature and accept the changes. Amazonite carries a spiritual energy of personal truth. It rekindles a harmonious interactions between the intellect and the intuition, allowing one to find what is right and true within the self. It also allows you to lovingly communicate those values and beliefs to others. Amazonite can provide clarity for those who are out of touch with their truth or who they are. This is done by gently guiding them towards their gifts and knowledge. Amazonite also empowers us to maintain our dreams and desires by magnifying our intentions. Because it works through the throat chakra, these interactions must be spoken out loud. By holding an Amazonite and forcefully affirming out loud what you wish to create, it can be powerfully enhancing one's ability to bring this into being.